So we have two different recipes for banana cakes. I really like banana bread, and I've heard of banana pie, but not banana cakes, so I'm curious about this. In any event, both of the relationships are proportional. We can see that. If you don't need any flour for your recipe, then you don't need any sugar. You won't have a successful banana cake if you do that. So we're supposed to figure out if we use 4 cups of sugar, how much will each recipe require? And I'm going to use my table first. And so to get from a ½ cup to 4 cups, I need to multiply my recipe 8 times. And so if I do 3/4 times 8/1, I can simplify diagonally and multiply then horizontally, and I'll get 6 cups for that first recipe. And then likewise on the right-hand side where they give us the relationship as an equation, I'll take 7/4, multiply it by 4, and I can simplify diagonally by dividing both of those numbers by 4, and then I know that I will need 7 cups for that second recipe.